friends, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to talk about feelings and emotions, all the different ways we feel inside.
That sounds interesting. What kinds of feelings are there, Mom?
Yes, we have to look at the drawings and then understand the emotion. Happy,
Happy,
sad,
sad,
bored,
bored,
angry,
angry,
surprised,
surprised,
worried,
worried,
sleepy,
sleepy,
embarrassed,
embarrassed,
fine,
fine.
So, these were some of the feelings. Some are happy, sad, angry, surprised, excited.
I feel happy when I play and sad when I lose my toy.
Yes, that's okay to feel all kind of emotions. When we feel angry or sad, we talk about it and take deep breaths to feel better. Talking about emotions makes us free. Thank you for learning with us emotions and feelings today. See you tomorrow for more fun.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to learn more about feelings.
Bye bye.